In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock your debit card on the Bank of America app. In just a few simple steps, you'll learn how to manage your card security right from your smartphone, ensuring peace of mind whenever you need it. First things first, to get started, you'll need to open the Bank of America app on your mobile device. Ensure that you've already installed the app and it's up to date. Once that's in order, go ahead and log in by entering your credentials. Be sure to keep your login details secure, as protecting your financial information is crucial. Once you've successfully signed into the app, the next step is to navigate to the main menu. This is typically accessible from the home screen of your app. Look for the section labeled Manage Card and tap on it. This will take you to a page where you can see all your linked cards. At this point, you should identify and select the specific debit card you want to manage. This is the card you'll be locking or unlocking. Moving on, you'll notice an option to either lock or unlock your card. It's usually a simple toggle switch designed to make this process straightforward and user-friendly. When you find the lock or unlock card option, go ahead and tap on it. Once you've made this selection, a toggle will appear, allowing you to switch your card status from unlocked to locked or vice versa. If your intention is to lock the card, flip the toggle to the locked position. After doing this, you might be prompted to confirm your choice. This added step ensures you've made the change intentionally, contributing to your card's security. If your card is locked and you realize it was a mistake, or if you're ready to use it again, simply revisit these steps and flip the toggle back to unlock. It's as simple as that. Keep in mind, if you've lost your card or suspect it has been stolen, it's important not only to lock it immediately through the app, but also to report the card lost or stolen to Bank of America. This might involve calling their customer support for further assistance to prevent unauthorized use or fraud. And there you have it. Managing the security of your Bank of America debit card is straightforward and convenient. Using the app helps you maintain control over your card's accessibility with just a few taps of your screen. Always remember, securing your card is as easy as locking your front door, offering you essential protection and peace of mind. Enjoy the confidence that comes with knowing your financial security is in your hands. Thanks for watching, and I hope you find this tutorial helpful.